Mr. Speaker, sir, as outlined by His Excellency, the new National Development Plan that is earmarked to be finalized in June this year will set our collective efforts, initiatives, and programs for a more sustainable and resilient built environment. In line with the formulation of the new National Development Plan, the review of the national housing policy will now be aligned to government priorities to ensure consistencies and a more streamlined coordination amongst government, private sector, and non-government organizations. At this juncture, I would like to convey my sincere appreciation to the New Zealand Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade for providing policy assistance to the Ministry of Housing to assist with the review of 2011 National Housing Policy, which is now earmarked for completion this year. Mr. Speaker, sir, a large proportion of our low-income households who struggle to afford decent homes have access to a public housing program managed by the Public Rental Board. However, there is still a high demand that needs to be met. The Ministry will continue to support the Public Rental Board in completing the Langi-Langi low-cost housing project that will accommodate 36 families and a further plan future development around G2 Estate for development of affordable and low-cost housing units. Mr. Speaker, sir, to ensure the transition to home ownership, the Ministry and the Public Rental Board are collaborating to design a rent-to-own scheme for existing tenants. This scheme will provide households with an opportunity to build equity in a home while renting, making it easier for them to eventually become homeowners. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry will continue to facilitate the support the implementation of the public-private partnership project with the International Financial Corporation for developing 5 sites that will provide around 3,000 housing units. These sites are Rewangan Shova, Painasino, Wanimboku, Nasino, Dabulevo, Nosori, and Tavakumbu in Lotok. Mr. Speaker, sir, land development projects carried by Housing Authority provide housing projects for low and middle income earning families. In December 2023, Dovata subdivision in Lambasa was completed, providing 103 residential lots. Also, an online portal was established providing an efficient and transparent platform for the public to lodge the application to purchase a lot and build their own dream homes. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Mokosoi subdivision project in Diomba nears completion and is expected to provide a total of 34 lots with allocation of green areas which the public can use for sports or leisure activities. These projects create sustainable and inclusive communities for people from various backgrounds and contribute to increasing home ownership. The Ministry will continue to assist in assisting first-time homeowners through the First Home Ownership Initiative for those with household income of below $50,000, as well as those earning household income of between $50,001 to $100,000 and may access government grant to buy or build their first home. Mr. Speaker, sir, in this financial year, the Ministry approved a total of 113 applications on the First Home Ownership Initiative with a total payout of more than $1.9 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, a review of income bracket will be conducted to ensure the most deserving low-income households will have access to financial support to meet their housing needs, including the most vulnerable in society. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry will be working with our stakeholders to promote and encourage green building practices that will mitigate environmental impact of housing development while simultaneously improve its resilience. Mr. Speaker, sir, the implementation of infrastructure upgrades for informal settlements and providing access to affordable housing, options will continue to be undertaken by the Ministry to improve living conditions of those living in informal settlements and help them integrate into formal urban environments. The Ministry's informal settlement upgrade program will continue with upgrades of informal settlements, providing settlers with access to basic utilities such as water, sanitation, electricity, drainage, and road. Upon completion of the upgrades, settlers are issued with a 99-year lease titles, providing long-term security tenure. Mr. Speaker, sir, 3 informal settlements have had their upgrades completed, following vigorous challenges, with a total of 431 households and undergoing non-allocation process to receive 99-year lease title. These settlements are in Nambusasa 90, Dhubin Singatoka, and Windom in Nosori. Mr. Speaker, sir, 4 more informal settlements are in construction phase, and these are in Sakwada Nesinu, Tavela 90, Field 4 in Lotoka, and Torre in Lotoka, with a total of 378 households. By the end of this financial year, the Ministry will have an additional 4 informal settlements ready for construction phase. They are settlements Munikulambasa, Wakanisila Nesinu, Wale Wanguya and Ba, Delesu and Lotoka, with a total of 350 households. The Speaker said the Ministry will also be established a national housing database, which will be a comprehensive and centralized system that aims to collect, manage, and maintain comprehensive, up-to-date data related to the housing sector, including information on housing units, occupancy rates, tenure types, construction materials, property condition, and green building initiatives.